2014 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote XLT. As in Tom, as in Tim. Hey Tim, how you doing?
Hey.
Hi. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast, you can see it. We true dualed it. There's a factory converter there, and then we true dualed it, and he didn't want it too obnoxious, so we put an X pipe on it to equalize exhaust scavenge. Here's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 all the way into 2 DYNOMAX race bullets. There it is right there, part number 24 250s. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then we did the Raptor look out the back on one side, as you guys can see there. There they are, with a dual tip out the back, rolled out right there. 4-inch black tips. There'll be a link in there for them. And there's the white pipe that was on it. There was a knockoff Flowmaster that didn't sound good, and a 3-inch tailpipe. And we will always thank RL Carriers for always bringing us our pipe. There's our pipe coming out of Canada, right there. We appreciate them bringing it out. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's it, right? Give it gas. That's perfect. There it is. Oh, that sounds neat. DYNOMAX race bullets. 2 duals. Raptor style with an X-Pod. 5.0 Coyote. Again. Right at 110. Go ahead and back it out. It's so deep. Wow, that sounds good. Yeah, baby. What do you guys think of the sound? DYNOMAX. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 true dual DYNOMAX out the side on one side. Raptor look. Perfect. I like it. Enjoy, guys.